Okay, thanks, David. Many people struggle when we get a sudden change in the weather. The change can intensify some medical conditions such as migraines and asthma. But now there's a service to warn people ahead of time. Shelley McCrugan has more.
Jerry Cunningham says email alerts like this have changed his life. He suffers from migraines and cluster headaches. His biggest trigger, the weather. He uses a service called MediClim to help him minimize his pain.
I'm able to manage it especially when my main trigger is the weather change. I can see when it's coming and prepare myself for that.
MediClim is a Canadian-made weather health warning system developed by Toronto Dr. John Bart and one of his patients and meteorologist, Denny Bourque. They developed an index to map specific weather conditions known to trigger certain health problems.
We look at the weather in 30 square kilometer units, and we can say that a particular weather combination in each of these units is likely to give rise to or destabilize one or more of the 6 diseases that we give warning about.
They take into account humidity, wind direction, temperature, and barometric pressure to identify days when certain chronic diseases may be aggravated.
Our most popular disease that people like is migraine, and next after that is asthma, and then we do heart disease, diabetes, COPD, and arthritis.
Trish Strong has been using it for about a year and says it has helped her with migraines, asthma, and arthritis.
It allows me to prepare for the fact, like if I'm gonna have a say need extra medication or that kind of a thing, and just be aware of that I might need extra medication.
Sometimes I do get a really bad headache, but like the alert that I got 2 days ago. Last night I got the headache, but it was manageable. I made sure I got rest, ate proper food, stayed away from my triggers.
MediClim went online in 2008. It has thousands of subscribers in Canada and the U.S. It has also launched in France and the U.K. Shelley McCrugan, CTV News, Calgary.
The service is free for subscribers. Dr. Bart is also developing a program for people if they think their particular illness is related to the weather. For more information, go to our website, ctvcalgary.ca.
The White Pages directory is 130 years old, and at that ripe old age, the registry